Hi there, Neil from Richter. Welcome to another video. So as you can see, this week we've got this stunning Indium grey T6.1 in behind us. Ultra special this one. So it's actually a collaboration with the guys at Plush Automotive. They've fitted the airlift suspension to this, so we've got fully height adjustable suspension, including the drop facility, so we can drop it right to the floor for things like vehicle shows, that sort of thing. Not only that, we've got the full ABT kit, so T6.1 front skirt, we've got the ABT front grille. We've got the short wheelbase side skirts. The lower rear skirt is also ABT. The top wing on this one is a Sportline style, so the customer preference there. As you'll see, it's fitted with the Vossen HF3. It's actually a custom drilled wheel, because it's a special offset specifically for the airlift kit. Painted the brakes on the vehicle. Then as we move to the inside of the vehicle, absolute full works as well. So it's got one of our ultimate audio packages in there. We've got the subwoofer between the seat. We've got the full carpet lining, full leather interior, and a Sound Booster Pro underneath. So yeah, let's take a look around the vehicle and let us know what you think. So the beauty with this airlift system, it's actually also got a mobile phone app, so all of the settings can be controlled from my mobile phone. As we can see on here at the minute, the compressor's up to pressure, so 168 psi. It's currently set manually. We've actually got 4 keys on here, so if we press the upper middle key, that will take us to a preset height. This is the higher setting. We've pressed the middle airlift button. This is our normal road height for driving. We've also got a low driving mode for motorways, so we can drop it to this setting. And then obviously the favourite one of all is air out, which is this bottom button.